Okay, for 78, they gave us two parallel lines cut by a transversal. The important thing to remember, these symbols here, you need them there, otherwise you don't know those lines are parallel. Even if they look parallel, they have to be marked as parallel. So for A, it says they're giving us angle 1 and angle 5. If we look over there, angle 1 and angle 5, they are congruent. They have the same measure, so they're equal. Angle 1 and angle 5 are equal. So they gave us angle 1 as 3x minus 18. And they gave us angle 5 at 2x plus 12. And we know they're equal, right? Because it's two parallel lines cut by a transversal. The angles 1 and 5 are congruent. So now we solve, right? So we add 18 to both sides. Add 18. We get 3x equals 2x plus 30. We subtract 2x. And we get x equals 30. And we've solved part A. There's part A, x equals 30, right? Okay, or 30 degrees to be precise. For B, let's look at B. Okay, they're giving us angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 6 are also congruent, right? They're alternate interior angles, so they're congruent. So that means that 4x minus 27 equals x plus 39, right? And we'll add 27 to both sides. Add 27. We get 4x equals x. This was plus 39, right? So 39 and 27 is 66. And then we subtract x from both sides. And we get 3x equals 66. And we divide both sides by 3. And x equals 22 degrees for B. Okay, so there's A and B. Let me make some room for C. So for C, they're giving us angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate or same side interior angles. They are supplementary. So the sum of those two angles equals 180 degrees, right? The sum of those two equals 100. So the measure of angle 4, 49, plus the measure of angle 6, which is 5x plus 41, equals 180 degrees, right? So combined like terms, 49 and 41 is 80/90, plus 5x equals 180. We subtract, not divide, we subtract 90 from both sides, right? And we get 5x equals 90. And we divide both sides by 5. And we get, for C, 18, right? 18 times 5 is 90. So x equals 18 degrees, right? And again, these are angles 4 and 6, right? If we look over here on this diagram, 4 and 6, they're same side interior angles, so they are supplementary, meaning the sum equals 180 degrees, right?